Step into the realm where cutting-edge technology meets the demanding world of construction and mining. In today's exploration, we unveil groundbreaking innovations, from 3D printing systems revolutionizing building design to robust long-hole drills redefining underground mining efficiency. These machines represent the forefront of engineering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in infrastructure development worldwide. Gomaco GP 2600. The Gomaco GP 2600 is a highly versatile concrete slipform paver tailored to meet the diverse demands of concrete paving projects. Powered by a Caterpillar diesel engine delivering 275 horsepower, it ensures efficient and robust performance. The GP 2600 features an electric over-hydraulic automated control system, boasting the Gomaco control system with multilingual capabilities, metric or imperial measurements, color graphics, and a 6.5-inch anti-glare display screen. Its modular frame can telescope on the left side up to 6.5 feet, offering flexibility in adjusting paving widths. Additionally, it includes a reversible 14-inch diameter hydraulically powered split auger and a hydraulically powered split vertical tamping system, adjustable up to 120 strokes per minute. The GP 2600 can accommodate various mold configurations with hydraulically pressure-compensated side plates for precise control. Priced around $150,000, the Gomaco GP 2600 stands out for its high production capabilities, optimal engine performance, and user-friendly operating system, which simplifies controls and system diagnostics for easy operation and maintenance. Its design emphasizes safety, visibility, and reduced maintenance time, making it a preferred choice for contractors globally. The machine's durable construction and adaptability to different paving requirements make it an invaluable asset for large-scale concrete paving projects. Komatsu's hydraulic breakers. Komatsu's hydraulic breakers are engineered for a wide range of demolition tasks, from breaking concrete to excavation and quarrying. These breakers maximize performance with features like a fully automatic variable speed system and an energy recovery valve that improves efficiency by modulating impact force and frequency to match the application's requirements. Weighing 1,400 kilograms and operating at a pressure of 125 bars, they deliver 1,050 blows per minute, showcasing their powerful and precise demolition capabilities. Unique features include a noise reduction design with sound dampening housings and vibration reduction through shock dampening components. Additionally, they come with an automatic lubrication feature that protects against dust and debris, ensuring a longer operational life. Komatsu's hydraulic breakers are designed to offer superior performance, durability, and reduced operational noise, making them an excellent choice for various demolition needs. These breakers are also known for their ease of maintenance, with components that can be quickly serviced or replaced to minimize downtime. Their robust construction ensures they can withstand the harsh conditions of heavy-duty demolition work. Komatsu's commitment to innovation and quality is evident in these breakers, making them a top choice for professionals in the field. T1255 Commander 3 Trencher. The Vermeer T1255 Commander 3 Trencher is a formidable machine engineered for heavy-duty trenching tasks. Equipped with a Caterpillar engine that delivers up to 415 horsepower, it is capable of trenching up to 5.5 meters deep and 1.2 meters wide, making it suitable for a range of industrial applications, including pipeline construction. The T1255 Commander 3 features Vermeer's exclusive computer-aided control system, enhancing operational efficiency by allowing precise adjustments to the digging chain speed. Common features include a pressurized cab with filtered air, an adjustable operator seat, and joystick controls, all contributing to operator comfort and productivity. The T1255 Commander 3 stands out for its combination of power, depth of trenching, and advanced control system, providing a high-performance solution for large-scale trenching needs. In addition, the machine's robust construction and advanced technology ensure reliable operation in the toughest conditions, reducing the likelihood of breakdowns and ensuring projects stay on schedule. Its versatility makes it a valuable asset for contractors handling various trenching requirements. The Vermeer T1255 Commander 3 is designed to deliver top-tier performance and efficiency in demanding trenching operations. Walking excavator. The Spider Excavator, also known as a walking excavator, is a specialized machine designed to navigate challenging terrains with minimal environmental impact. Its standout feature is the 4 independently operating legs that allow it to move in a spider-like fashion, enabling it to tackle slopes up to 50 degrees on surfaces such as mud, snow, rocks, and even water up to 1.5 meters deep. This capability makes the Spider Excavator ideal for tasks like power pole excavation and installation, right-of-way clearing, steep slope excavation, and rockfall protection. With a power output of 157 horsepower and a weight starting from 10 tons depending on the attachment, it boasts a lifting power of up to 5,500 kilograms, a reach of up to 8.2 meters, and a digging depth of up to 6 meters. The Spider Excavator's unique ability to operate on steep and difficult terrains without extensive groundwork or access road construction sets it apart from conventional machinery. With over 40 years of experience in steep slope operations, operators of these machines are trained in a dedicated facility in the US, ensuring precision and expertise in handling challenging landscapes. The walking excavator is an exemplary machine that combines innovation, power, and versatility for the most demanding excavation tasks. Amphibious Excavator. The Amphibious Excavator is a modern marvel in construction machinery, designed to operate in challenging environments such as marshes, swamps, and soft terrains. Its ability to float on water adds a significant safety feature, making it ideal for projects involving waterways, lakes, shorelines, and ponds. The excavator's patented multi-synchronous hydraulic motor direct drive system is a pivotal technology that provides unparalleled maneuverability and stability. It features an innovative undercarriage that allows each pontoon to extend outwardly via hydraulic function, enhancing stability during operation. The pontoons can be retracted for ease of land transportation. The final drive system features a breakthrough multi-synchronous direct drive hydraulic motor on each pontoon, offering superior tracking power across all terrains. The enhanced pontoon design has doubled the steel strength and wear resistance, while rigidity has increased by at least 30%, reducing maintenance cycles and operating costs. This adaptability and efficiency in design make the Amphibious Excavator a valuable asset for any construction project involving wetlands or water bodies. Its unique capabilities allow it to perform tasks that are otherwise challenging or impossible for conventional excavators, ensuring that projects in difficult terrains can be completed efficiently and safely. The BOD 3D printing system. The BOD 3D printing technology has been successfully applied in many areas, including construction. Entire buildings are now made using this method. The printer uses standard cement compositions, M300 to 500, which are available in any country. It produces layers 20 millimeters high and 50 to 70 millimeters wide. The laminated structure results in highly resistant walls, allowing for rooms in any shape. Most building printers perform similarly, with a 100 square meter building printable in 100 hours. These devices are suitable for printing thin interior partitions and bearing walls. This technology significantly reduces construction time and labor costs, making it an innovative solution in modern construction practices. The durability and versatility of 3D printed buildings also contribute to sustainability, as they require fewer materials and generate less waste than traditional methods. The BOD 3D printing system is paving the way for the future of efficient, eco-friendly building construction, transforming how we approach building design and implementation. The Sandvik DU412i. The Sandvik DU412i is a versatile and compact long-hole drill designed for large-scale underground mining operations. It can drill vertical and inclined fans, as well as single or parallel long holes with a coverage of up to 3,000 meters. The drill accommodates diameters ranging from 90 to 445 millimeter and features a telescopic boom with 360-degree rotation. The DU412 is equipped with a hydrostatic transmission powered by a 119 kilowatt diesel engine. Managed by Sandvik's intelligent control system, it ensures precision and efficiency. Weighing approximately 30,000 kilograms, it is built for heavy-duty mining tasks. The operator's cabin provides a safe work environment with tramming cameras and an adjustable control panel and seat. This robust design ensures the DU412i meets modern mining's rigorous demands, making it a reliable choice for efficient underground drilling operations. Its advanced features and substantial build make it suitable for various mining applications, enhancing productivity and safety. CSM Technology. Cutter soil mixing, CSM, is a ground improvement technique that enhances soil properties by mechanically mixing it with a binder slurry. It is used for creating cut-off walls, reducing liquefaction potential, enhancing slope stability, and providing structural support. The CSM process uses cutter wheels on a Kelly bar to form rectangular panels. As the cutter head advances, binder slurry is pumped through a nozzle, mixing with the soil. CSM can treat soil up to 50 meters deep with typical depths of 25 to 35 meters. Pre-drilling can improve productivity in dense soils or soft rock. The process adapts to soil type, strength, water content, plasticity, and texture. CSM creates strengthened soil panels used in almost any soil type. Trench depths can reach 43 meters, and rig weight ranges from 130 to 170 metric tons. This versatility makes CSM essential for complex geotechnical projects, ensuring improved stability and support for various construction needs. Ditch Bank Mower 3300 VC. The Ditch Bank Mower Octopus 3300 VC is specialized agricultural equipment designed for maintaining ditch banks and hard-to-reach areas. It features multiple articulating arms that can reach over and around obstacles for a clean cut. The Octopus 3300 VC has 4 independent, hydraulically controlled mowing arms capable of a wide range of motion. These arms can extend to cover a significant area, making the mower highly efficient. Specifications such as cutting width, arm reach, and hydraulic flow requirements are tailored to the base vehicle and specific operation needs. The price varies with configuration and additional features. The Octopus 3300 VC's versatility and power make it ideal for vegetation management, especially in areas traditional mowers can't access. Its design allows simultaneous cutting by multiple arms, significantly reducing the time and labor required for such tasks, making it an invaluable tool in agricultural maintenance. Xcentric Ripper. The Xcentric Ripper is a hydraulic electric tool designed for limestone collection, functioning like a standard ripper combined with a hammer. It can work with any 35-ton excavator. A powerful metal element picks up a limestone layer and breaks it into small fragments. The Xcentric Ripper can also crush large stones or remove roadbeds. This tool is highly efficient, significantly reducing the time required for these tasks. It is versatile and can be used in various applications beyond limestone collection, making it a valuable addition to heavy machinery. Its robust design and compatibility with standard excavators make it a popular choice for construction and mining industries. The Xcentric Ripper's ability to handle tough materials efficiently sets it apart from traditional equipment, offering enhanced productivity and reliability in challenging environments. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into advanced construction and mining technologies. These innovations not only enhance productivity and efficiency, but also pave the way towards a more sustainable future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay informed about the latest breakthroughs in engineering excellence. Your engagement supports our mission to spotlight the transformative potential of technology in shaping tomorrow's infrastructure. Together, let's continue to innovate and build a brighter, more connected world. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Thank you for watching.